Assalamualaikum and good morning 5 class. How are you? I hope so you are well doing. Today our topic is construction of reflex angles. In the previous lecture we have discussed about construction of right angles. Okay, and today we will discuss construction of reflex angles. First of all, revise the definition of reflex angle. What is a reflex angle? An angle which is greater than 180 degree is called reflex angle. In this video we will construct the reflex angle, but we know that our protractor are limited to draw up to 180 degrees. You know that our protractor measuring the values up to 180 degrees. Okay, but here we have to construct the angle greater than 180 degree because reflex angle are greater than 180 degree. So how we construct this type of angles? Let's get started. Construction of reflex angle. Here is an example. Construct an angle of 235 degree by using a protractor. Here you can see that 235 degree is greater than 180 degree. So 235 degree is an reflex angle. So how we construct 235 degree by using a protractor? Let's see. Step 1. Subtract the measure of reflex angle from 360 degree. Students, keep in mind, when we have to construct reflex angle, then we follow this method to construct the angle. Okay, when we construct a reflex angle, then you follow this method. So step 1 is subtract the measure of reflex angle from 360 degree. Here is the reflex angle 235 degree. So 360 degree minus 235 degree, which gives answer 125 degree. So now draw the angle of 125 degree by using the protractor. As you know that 125 degree is less than 180 degree and we can easily draw 125 degree. In the previous lecture we have discussed about to construct like these angles. So first step, draw a horizontal line segment and label it AB like this. And now place your protractor at the point A so that its base line is along the line AB. Setting the origin at the point A, mark point C at 125 degree. Like this. First of all, line segment AB. Now place the protractor at point A. Now mark the point C at 125 degree and meet A to C by a line segment. Here you can see that this is the angle of 125 degree. Like this is the angle of 125 degree. But in this question we have to draw the angle of 235 degree. Students, we have to subtract 360 degree minus 235 degree and we get 125 degree and draw the angle 125 degree, and the outer angle represent the angle. This represents the angle 235 degree. The red line represent the angle 235 degree. This is the method to draw a reflex angle by using the protractor. If you have any question in which you have to draw a reflex angle, first step, you subtract 360 degree, you subtract that reflex angle from 360 degree, and which answer you get, draw that angle by using the protractor, and the outer angle is represents that reflex angle. Okay, now example is, draw an angle ABC in which AB is equals to 6 cm, AC equals to 4 cm, and angle ABC equals to 45 degree. Okay, you have to construct an angle 45 degree and also here mention the length of the arm of the angle. So step 1, draw AB equals to 6 cm. You draw a line segment AB whose length is 6 cm by using the ruler. So here we use the ruler to draw a line segment AB of 6 cm and naming AB. Okay. Step 2 is, with a protractor draw an angle of 45 degree at A. For this we draw a line segment AB whose length is 6 cm and place the protractor at point A and measure the angle of 45 degree by using the protractor. Okay, here is AB line segment. Now this is like this AB line segment whose length is 6 cm and this is the angle of 45 degree. Now you know that here in the question AB equals to 6 cm and AC equals to 4 cm. So with a ruler mark C such that AC equals to 4 cm. So here by using the ruler we have measured the length of the side AC, which is 4 cm, and this is the angle which we have required. 6 cm and 4 cm are the length of the arms of the angle of 45 degree. Okay students, now worksheet number 4, page number 73. Question is, draw angles of the following measures in your notebook. Okay, these angles you have to construct by using protractor on your notebook. These questions do yourself. Also worksheet number 5, this worksheet also do yourself. Okay, your homework is practice of worksheet number 4 and 5, page number 73. After construction of these angles on your rough notebook, you will share your picture of your work with me on Google Classroom. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching.